Okay, so in this short video tutorial, we will learn how to add two vertical axes in a bar chart in Excel. And to do that, you need to arrange your data, something like that. And this could be like various stuff, various items or whatever you have. And this is like one parameter of that items, different item, and this is the second parameter. All you need to do is just select all of them, insert, and insert a bar chart here. So when you do that, the next thing is what you're gonna do is you can click any of this, or you can double click that so that this window pops up, which is the format data series, and you can choose any of those to be on the secondary axis. When you do that, so what will happen that it will eventually just come on top of each other, but you don't want that. So to like make them separate, you have to switch the rows and columns. When you do that, you will get something like this, but you still have problem in that, because the one that you have, this will be on your primary axis and all of those will move to the secondary axis, but it will be like behind those. So to solve this problem, what we can do, we can create or insert some dummy cells here, and then we can recreate the same plot, but this time it will be even more better before compared to the first. So we're gonna delete this. What we can do, like it depends on the data you have. So like we can insert three cells and move those to the right. So these are now my dummy cells, and I can repeat the process again, this, and now choose these to be on the secondary axis, and again switch my rows and column. So now you will get something like this, but you still have one big this thing left. So the other thing you need to try is to come to your format chart, and under the chart area tab you can check those series. So we have series A, B, 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 B. So we have multiple B's. So that means those are those dummy series that we have, because we do have like P, but there is B, B, B again. So I can choose, like for example, I can leave the first one. I can choose the second one to be on the primary axis. So it will give me like more better result, but there is still this problem we have. So we can't change this to the secondary axis. If we do, it will be the same. For example, I'm gonna try it, so that will leave you to exact same thing, so you won't be able to obtain what you actually need. So what we're gonna do, we are going to play with those overlaps here to make this thing exactly the same as this one. So to do that, I'm gonna increase the gap width from 200 and something to almost maximum 500, and I can literally see reduce this so that I can obtain what I want, but there is still like this gap and all those stuff. I don't want that. So what I can do, I can again come to the format chart area, and I can play with those dummy uh, dummy rebus to make those, any of those on like primary axis or whatever. So now I made this on a primary axis, but again I want this to be 100%. And now if I move this, so probably that's what I want. Like now I can see that the gap and everything is ideal. So I can just, the axes are there, the title is there, but not for all. I do not want any horizontal, so I can add a primary vertical axis and a primary horizontal, not the horizontal but the secondary vertical. And I can make it like nice and clean, like make it Times New Romans, and it should be the black. And I can name it, I can name this title, but we still have some problem here. What is that problem? We have all those extra B's, so we don't need that. So we can just like choose those and press delete, choose the second, press delete, choose the third extra B and press delete. So now I have a little nice bar chart with two different axes. The first one is the size and the second one is the cost. And also make sure that your coloring is consistent. For example, this is the orange color, so it indicates the B. So it has a size of 2, but it has a cost of almost like $6.64, which is here. So that's how now you can distinguish. And the same applies to, like, if you even you have a bunch of data, so all you need to insert proper cell and play with those cell, like make some of them as primary axis, some of them as secondary axis, until you get something really like smooth spacing between these twos, and also the accuracy what you are looking for. So that's it. Let me know if you have any comments, if you want me to do anything specific, so I'll be more than happy to help. Okay, that's all. See you in the next video.